morning, students. This is the part 3 of computer network chapter, network and network type. In this part 3, today we are going to learn about the topology. Computer network topology we will discuss today. So as you can see, structure of a network, the geometrical arrangement of the computer resources, network device along with the communication channel is known as network structure, or you can say network topology. Topology means basically the arrangement of a computer in the network. How you will arrange the computer in the network, that can be done with the help of topology. तो जो भी अरेंजमेंट होगा, जो स्ट्रक्चर आप क्रिएट करेंगे, दिस इज़ द कॉल्ड स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ अ नेटवर्क. Then topology can be physical or logical. Physically, we can manage the computer either serially or either in the ring form, so that can be done with the help of computer topology. So topology, physical topology, layout of nodes means computer and the cables in the network, how you will arrange, that is called the physical part. Then logical part, the information flows between the different component, कैसे कैसे आपकी इंफॉर्मेशन फ्लो होगी, ये आपको लॉजिकल टोपोलॉजी से क्लियर होगा. देन वी हैव द टाइप्स ऑफ द फिजिकल नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी. जो आपकी फिजिकल नेटवर्क टोपोलॉजी होती है, there are the types is written here: bus topology, star topology, ring topology, mesh and tree topology. So we will discuss one by one, and the last is your hybrid. So right now we are going to discuss about bus topology. So in case of bus topology, you can see here nodes are connected through a communication media like diagram which is given below. Like this is the communication media and single cable is required here in case of bus topology, and the computers are arranged as you can see here in this order. Then advantage of bus topology is it is easy to install and minimum cable is required in case of bus topology. All the computers are arranged in a bus format, one after another, by using a single cable. For this small network, we are using the bus topology basically. What are the disadvantage of bus topology? If we are going to discuss, it is difficult to reconnect the computer if it is damaged in the network. Difficult to find the problem because it depends on single cable, so it's very difficult to find out the problem if network is not doing the communication. And difficult to add the new device because we have a single cable, all computer are already serially arranged, so it is very difficult to add a new device. Break, stop all the transmission of the data. If there is a break in the signal, then definitely the complete network will be damaged in case of bus topology. Then we are going to discuss about second one, star topology. The star topology uses a separate cable for each node, or you can say workstation, or you can say computer. The cable connect to each node with each computer to a central device, typically is called a hub. Basically we have a different kind of cable to form the star format, and all the cables of computers are connected with the other network device which is called hub, or you can say switch. So now you can see here the diagram, either we are using hub or switch, and these node, as you can see in the diagram, that is called computers, or devices also be possible in case of node. This comes under the form of star format. So advantage of star topology, it is less expensive than mesh topology. It is easy to install, easy to configure. You can configure the setting. If one link fails, the network can still function. इन केस ऑफ बस टोपोलॉजी क्या होता है, अगर केबल में प्रॉब्लम है तो कम्प्लीटली नेटवर्क आपका डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. बट इन केस ऑफ द स्टार टोपोलॉजी, अगर एक नेटवर्क वर्क नहीं कर रहा है, एक नोड काम नहीं कर रहा है, तो रेस्ट ऑफ द नोड विल वर्क आउट प्रॉपरली बेसिकली. देन disadvantage of star topology, everything depend on the hub actually. If hub is not working, the entire network will be fail in case of star topology. Then we have the next topology. The name of the topology is here ring topology. In ring topology, every computer is connected to the next computer in the ring, and each transmit the signal what it received from the previous computer. the message flows around the ring in one direction. Ring topology में क्या होता है, जो network will be, it will be in the format of ring manner. As you can see, this is the ring format. All the computers are circular manner connected. So it uses the token method to do the task. Like token will be for first computer, then it will pass on to the second computer. It will go like this basically. So if we are going to discuss, it works in one direction. It cannot work with the previous direction. As you can see, it is written here in ring topology. Every computer is connected to the next computer in the ring and each transmit the signal what it received from the previous computer. तो बेसिकली ये चेन सिस्टम की तरह होता है, फर्स्ट टू सेकंड, सेकंड टू थर्ड, और ये बैक में नहीं जाएगा. द मैसेज फ्लो अराउंड द रिंग इन one direction. It happen in one direction basically. What are the advantages of ring topology? Number one is here, it is easy to install, easy to configure, easy to detect a problem which comes in this network. And now what is the disadvantage of the ring topology? If there is a break, then definitely the whole system will be damaged. So this is called basically a ring topology. Then we have mesh topology, which is called the mix-up of the topology. What is this? The separate cable is used with the each connect device to every other device on the network by providing the straight path. As you can see here, it is a mixture of basically your star topology and ring topology. As you can see here, all are connected circularly and all are other interconnected. It avoids the traffic since every link can carry its your data and the none of being shared. If one link break, then no problem, still other network will be functioning. As you know, if there are multiple links to do the communication, so there is no problem. If there is a problem coming in the network, then it is easy to find out the problem in this case. Now we have the disadvantage of mesh topology. A lot of cables are needed here, and too many cables means too much cost. So it is very costly basically, and it is used for the large organization. So too many cable create the complex network. So now we will discuss the last topology. We will discuss now the second last tree topology, in which a central root node, that is called the tree topology, means it's work like as a hierarchy format basically. Like department wise it is working. So first is the server, then sub server, then main server. So it work in the hierarchy format, just like a tree format, as you can see in the diagram. So there will be a central node. If central node will damage, the entire network will be damaged. But it is easy to add any computer in this network because it comes under the hierarchy level. So it is scalable. We can easily add a new computer here. Easy to fault identification and isolation. Isolation means separation from the network. आप किसी भी कंप्यूटर को नेटवर्क से बाहर कर सकते हैं easily. But if सर्वर को आप करेंगे तो entire network will be damaged. So we have to be careful. Disadvantage of mesh topology: maintenance of the network may be an issue when the network spans to a great area. जब आप बहुत लार्ज एरिया में इसको स्पैन करेंगे तो थोड़ा सा मेंटेनेंस को लेके प्रॉब्लम आती है. और इफ़ बैकबोन फेल, देन एंटायर नेटवर्क विल बी क्रिपल्ड, एंटायर नेटवर्क विल बी डैमेज. मीन सर्वर डैमेज होगा, एंटायर नेटवर्क डेफिनेटली विल बी डैमेज. नाउ द लास्ट टोपोलॉजी, हाइब्रिड, that is called the combination of any two or two more topology in such a way the result network does not exhibit one of the standard topology, that is called hybrid. Hybrid is a mixture like star और आपने बस को कंपेयर कर दिया एक साथ. सो इट डिपेंड्स ऑन यू. ट्री टोपोलॉजी और आपने स्टार को कंपेयर कर दिया, मिक्सिंग कर दी है, दैट इज़ कॉल्ड हाइब्रिड, मिक्सचर ऑफ द टू टोपोलॉजी. नाउ the next topic is here, types of the network. When we are going to discuss about the types of the network, basically we have four types of network. The first is your personal area network, second is the local area network, third is the metropolitan area network, and fourth is the wide area network. Now if you are going to discuss the personal area network, which we use generally by Wi-Fi, you can do two computers are there and you are using Wi-Fi with them. So this is the personal type of network. Then local area network, we will discuss one by one. Personal area network spread the proximity of individual, cover the area, few meter radius, and USB cable is required for this. That is called personal area network. Then we have a lot of example. A network of devices such as computer, phone, MP3 player, MP4 player, camera, etc. Transferring the song from one mobile to another mobile is also a pen. Like we can do this with the help of infrared rays, or in case of personal, you can use your Bluetooth also. Regarding personal area network, now we will talk about the local area network. Basically, the local area network are the most frequently used discussed network, जो कि वायर्ड पे डिपेंडेंट होता है, और ये एक बिल्डिंग को दूसरी बिल्डिंग से कनेक्ट करने के लिए यूज़ होता है. इनसाइड द बिल्डिंग डेफिनेटली वी आर यूजिंग इट, बट इसकी जो डिस्टेंस होती है वो अप टू 8 किलोमीटर तक होती है. इसके अंदर हम लैंड डिज़ाइन में हम स्टार, बस, रिंग, ट्री, इन सारी टोपोलॉजीज़ को यूज़ कर सकते हैं जब हम ये नेटवर्क क्रिएट करेंगे. देन वी हैव कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स ऑफ लैंड. Private network means no need of regulatory network. Operate at the high speed. Ethernet cable or token ring will help to communicate in this topology. Now, what are the advantage? Resource sharing can be done. Disadvantage: high setup cost is required. Definitely, data security is good. Here, land maintenance job is there, cover the limited area, like a school building, like a college building. We can connect with one office to another office till the distance of up to 8 kilometers. This is the limitation. Now we will discuss about the main metropolitan area network. It basically spread within a city. Like you want to connect one city to another city, and the distance may be around of 80 kilometer. In case of metropolitan area network, and it works inside a city. Inside a city you can connect one, like you want to connect Vikaspuri to Janakpuri, you can use the metropolitan area network. In such case, we are using guided media or unguided media, means wired or wireless, we can use that. What are the example? A network of the school, a network of the bank, government offices can be done in this case. And the last one is your wide area network. This is the largest area network. See, internet is the example of wide area network. Actually, it works for to connecting one city to another city which is outside up to 80 miles. More than 80 miles means more than that we are using wide area network. Even to connect one country to another country, we are using wide area network. Basically, here you can see it covers the large distance, continents, state, countries. It depends on satellite, public telephone network to establish the connection. Even routers is also used there. Now example, ATM bank network, national government offices, international organization. These are the example of wide area network. It is used for the long distance to connect one to another network. It shares the software as well as the resources we can share. Hardware devices also be shared with this help with this. What are the disadvantage? Need a good firewall to restrict the unauthorized access. As you know, authorized user can use the website or the data. So if you want to prevent from unauthorized access, we have to take help from firewall. Firewall is a security system which help you to prevent unwanted unauthorized access. It alerts you whenever these things are happening. So now computer network setup. Now in this slide we are going to discuss how we can set up a network. Basically, whenever we are talking about a network, so we will discuss this in the next PPT. So till then